Hey YouTube, Garage Race here once again. Today we're gonna work on a Grand Marquis. It's a 2010, but this will work between the 2001 all the way to 2011. The issue that we're having is that our vents in the front are not working. The AC or the heater are automatically going for the top vent and also the floor. So when you go to vent, it just doesn't blow anything at all. And that's because there's a leak in your system. The systems don't have the electric actuators. They work by a vacuum and air hoses. And your problem is right here behind this. I'm gonna show you how to open your dashboard and remove your climate control unit, which you can then replace. I already did everything. I'm recording this video after I finished my job, and my issue was just my unit was already tampered with and it was messed up, so I ended up buying a new unit and I replaced it and it's working already. You can see that throughout the video. I'm also gonna show you how to open this, which I'm gonna show you that right now. Just come in here to your right, put your hand here and pull this just like that, and just pull back, and you're gonna start unclipping this. There's one clip there, and there's two, three, there's four clips here in total, and then there's four here in this area, and then there's one in the corner. Just pull back, pull back, pull back, and it's gonna clip up and everything's gonna clip out, and then we have access to the inside so I can show you what to do. So here we go, let me show you. Alright guys, so now that we pull this out, let me show you the location of the clips so that you can have an idea of what you're doing. There's one clip right there that goes in here. There's another clip right here, that's two, and three with this one, and then two at the bottom. See that one and that one? So there's four in total here, and then one in the corner, just so you can have an idea and try not to break them, I guess. There's one right here. So that's six, that's 4, 5, and 6. And then there's in the corner, you have this one. That's 7. Oh, I'm sorry. There's also this one, 8 and 9 right there. So there's, here you have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on this side only, and then 4 here, and then 1 there in the corner. Once you just clip those, just pull back. You shouldn't break anything, but if you do, I'm gonna try and have a link in the description for the clips. If you need to buy the clips, they're like, I think they're like $5. I'm gonna try and look for them. I may have them in the description. But now let's go ahead and just unplug these cables. So this is just push and pull. Same for here is push and pull. You're gonna push here on this side, right here, push and pull, and this one right here on the side, I'm sorry, right there, it's a push and pull as well. So just unplug those, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright guys, so now that we removed that and we unplugged everything, let's go ahead and remove the 4 bolts that hold the climate control unit. They're size 7. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and remove those, and then this will come out. Alright guys, so now that you're in this position where you already took this little cover and unplugged everything, just come in here, and to remove this is very easy. It's just 2 plugs and then these little nuts. They're size 10, there's 2 of them, and you can do it with your hand. Actually, you don't have to use the wrench or the ratchet. You can just see, as you can see, I can use the socket and just turn. It's just like a little rubber thingy, so you can do it by hand. So go ahead and remove this 2. And once you remove those 2, you're gonna come in here, and for these 2 clips, you're just gonna press here and pull. And it's better if you do it with both hands, but just press this here and pull back, and that's how you remove this. Once you remove it, you can just go ahead and install the new one. As I mentioned before, this is a post video. I'm recording this afterwards, but mine is actually broken because they already messed with it. It was tampered with, and it was missing a lot of parts. So I went to the junkyard to pick up parts, and I bought a new one. I paid $40. To my amazement, this one was refurbished, because it's a very common problem. So I'm gonna put this one in. If you want to buy one from Amazon, I think eBay has some refurbished. They go for like about 100 or 120. I'm gonna put a link in the description for those. I bought mine at the pickup part. I went and got it myself because it's very easy to take it out. But this is your issue. Just go ahead and replace this. But that's it, guys. That's how you fix your vent. Let me go ahead and replace this, put everything back, and show you guys the fix. So here we go. Alright guys, so I put it back. I didn't put everything back in place. I just connected everything in the back just to try it out first. And I turned it on, and it's working. Let me show you. See that? Yeah, man. So So there you go, guys. That's your fix for the vent on this Grand Marquis. Super common problem. Like I said, in my case, I had to end up replacing this. I ended up replacing the climate control unit. But if it helped you guys, please like and subscribe. I'm sure if you have a problem, I'm sure you know somebody with a Grand Marquis that has this issue. And it goes all the way between 2001 all the way to 2010. Very common. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.